Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Red-Eyed Whips. Oh shit, what the...
Alright, so as you can see, we picked up this pretty awesome shifter. It's an alligator, as you can tell. Represents the Gator Boys, which is what we will become.
So, where'd you get the shifter from?
Well, I'll tell you where I got it from. I got it from the wetlands of Florida.
Oh.
From the odd and very strange Floridian race.
Okay, yeah. I'd like to go there someday. Now that is a bitchin' shifter.
That it is. Hey guys. Didn't see you there. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be packing the bearings and, well, let's get straight into the video.
Was that it? Is it recording?
Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. We're working on the Model A once again. Alright, so we're going to start off with the lug nuts here and work our way to the bearings. So for this piece we're missing a cotter pin, just like we're missing like just about everything else for this car. So we're just going to go ahead and take it off. So this is your axle nut, and you know what this guy is? A riller! Just gotta wash your hands off real quick. Always remember to wash your hands in the garage. So this is your inner bearing, and it's the core part of your car! Besides the engine, of course, but it still does important stuff! Note, it is coming out. It came out. So this piece is an unnamed product. Very nice, how much? And then this is your inner bearing. It's also very nice. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do with these is we're just going to take our rag here and kind of just wipe all the grease off of them, or at least as much as we can.
We cleaned these out with a rag. They spin pretty good now. Got most of the old grease out. And now we're just gonna repack it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a fat glob of grease, put it on the palm of your hand, and then just from the bottom, just like pack
What are you doing? I told you to stop taking my caramel. What do you think you're doing?
Just pack it on in there. Try and push out the old grease as you do it.
Now this is lubed up. We're just going to put it back, just like that. We're going to put our drum brake back on. There we go. Put this one back as well. Now we're going to put our unnamed product back on. Very nice. So now this irrelevant axle nut, go back on there. Now, always remember to tighten your lug nuts up, or else your wheel will fly off.
Hey guys, how's it going? Our brakes aren't working, and we found out the hard way. Don't ask me how. But the emergency brake still works. That's good. You know, right now...
How you doing?
So, yeah. Instead of finishing packing the bearings, we're just going to rebuild the entire brake system. Hopefully that will fix our problem, because right now they're all just locked up, and honestly it was like put on backwards. So. Next time we're going to show you how to disassemble the brakes. We'll show you how they work, how to fix them at home if you have this car as well and you want to join us. And, yeah, sure.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Sorry I had to change up the video, but we had to figure out the hard way that our brakes didn't work. So next Monday we'll be working on the brakes, and thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.
Catch you later. That's not like in the movies.